Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can convert a JPEG image to a PDF file. As you know, PDF itself is a most popular which is usually used by everyone, or you can say 90% user use PDF for different file formats, and also everyone thinks about how we can get images into a PDF file. But today I will show you a very simple process of getting your images into a PDF file format. So here I am on the Windows 11. You can do this on your Windows 10 as well. So go to the Windows default app, Photos. Let's open that. Here are the few photos, right, which I already browsed between June 24 to 23. I can convert these photos to PDF as well. And if I need any photos from my computer, not these recent photos, I can, let's go to folders and add folders. Here I can go to my photos here. Let's search for those. Let's select this folder here. Right now this photo is being added here and I got photos into here. I could show you the recent photos that was showing earlier on my all photos, on my recent photos in the photos there, but here just to show you the method, I browse to the folder and I have added this folder here, right? So let's go to all photos again, and I want to show you how we can convert these one or two photos into PDF. Once you have selected photos, as I have selected two JPEG images here, right? And you can press Control plus P, the print option. You can press Control P, the print option. Here we will do Microsoft Print to PDF as we need these photos into our PDF file. So let's hit print, and I want to save it on a desktop, and I want to name it JPEG to PDF just to show you. Let's save it. Let's go back to desktop. Here you go. You can see now I have a PDF file, and let's see if it's converted correctly. That's great. Yeah, it have added my all those photos which I have selected in the photos section, and it's open in now in Adobe PDF. So you can open this PDF file in the browser as well by going to open with. If you don't have Adobe Acrobat in your computer, you can go to Microsoft Edge, and let's verify. Yeah, I have those two photos here as well, and let's try it in a Google Chrome. That's great. Now you can see I got these two photos which I selected into a PDF file in the Chrome as well. That's it about today's simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, keep commenting, and also you can suggest me any other videos I can create for you, or you're having any other problems. I will create the videos on their solutions. Thanks for watching. Bye.